In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an affiliate marketing website on Wix. To get started, head over to wix.com. If you don't already have a Wix account, take a moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process. If you do have one, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, look for the Create New Site button and click on it. Wix will prompt you to choose the type of website you want to create. For affiliate marketing, picking blog or business will best suit your needs as both provide functionalities that align perfectly with affiliate sites. Now comes the fun part, choosing a template. Wix offers a variety of templates, so take your time browsing through them and select one that complements your niche, whether it's tech, travel, fitness, or beauty. Once you find a template you like, click Edit to open it in the Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Here, you can customize the design by adjusting the colors, fonts, and layout to fit your brand identity. Remember, simplicity is key. A clean and easy to navigate design can significantly enhance the user experience and improve site performance. Next, let's build your site structure. Start by setting up your main pages. Your homepage should act as a showcase for your niche and highlight top recommendations. On your blog page, you can publish content like reviews and tutorials to engage your audience. The resources or products page is essential for listing affiliate products along with their links. Don't forget a contact page to allow visitors to reach out to you or subscribe. For compliance, add a privacy policy or disclosure page to include necessary affiliate disclaimers. To populate your site, it's time to add text and images. Use the Add Elements button to insert text or images into your site. Ensure your content is clear and optimized for SEO. For a polished look, use high-quality product photos, either taken by you or provided by the affiliate brand's media kit. Adding affiliate links is crucial. Highlight your call to action text, like buy now or check price. Click the link icon and paste your affiliate URLs from programs like Amazon or Share a Sale. Make sure you set these links to open in a new tab so users remain on your site. Content is king, so incorporate a blog or content section. To do this, go to Add, then Blog, and start writing posts such as Top 10 Products for Your Niche or Best Product Type for Beginners. Sprinkle your affiliate links throughout your posts, but make sure they flow naturally with your content. Optimizing for SEO is your final touch. Navigate to Marketing and SEO and use Wix's SEO tools to add keywords to your titles and descriptions, customize URL slugs, enable SSL, and insert meta tags. Utilize Wix's SEO setup checklist for guided assistance. Before you launch, add disclaimers and legal pages. Transparency is not just ethical, but often required by law. So be upfront about commissions you earn through affiliate links. You're now ready for the final step. Preview, test, and publish your site. Click Preview to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Once satisfied, click Publish and your site is live. Don't forget to share your new website through social media, YouTube, or emails to attract visitors, and that's it. You've successfully created an affiliate marketing website on Wix.